What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, another throwback video, guys. Just giving you these throwback videos, like I said, until I can give you guys more content of me going to the auction. We almost there. In this video, we're gonna go over a 2003 Honda Odyssey. This was my first Honda van. Right here, I think it was my first and only Honda van. I don't usually like buying these because they got transmission problems. Not sure if you guys know about that, but these guys usually have transmission issues, a lot actually. This was an '03 with 125,000 miles, which is part of the reason why I bought it, because the miles were very good on it. Everything on this van worked. It was electric, everything, as you can see. Electric doors, leather seats. This boy was like very good condition. This boy was a repossession, so it was a repossession car. But yeah, as you can see, they kept it very clean. There was nothing at all wrong with this car. The AC worked, the heat worked, the body was nice. As you can see, look in the trunk, everything was nice and clean. Made a good little family van. I winded up selling this van for $2,800. That's how much I sold it for. I put 22 in it, so I only made like 600 bucks, but yeah, I thought it was a pretty good deal. You guys let me know what you guys think. You guys think it was a pretty good deal or no, or you think I could have sold it for more. I was trying to get $3 grand for it, but they talked me down to 28, so I went ahead and took the 28. I didn't have this car long at all. It was like at the max of like 2 or 3 days, so making the 600 bucks in 2 or 3 days, I went ahead and took it. But I guess that's it for this video, guys. This was a 2003 Honda Odyssey van. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more content coming soon. I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Almost at 1,000 subscribers. I'll catch you guys on the next throwback. Thanks for watching. Peace.